Imagine a tidal wave not of water, but of molasses. On January 15, 1919, a massive storage tank in Boston's North End burst, unleashing over 2 million gallons of thick, sticky molasses. The wave raced through the streets at 35 miles per hour, toppling buildings and trapping people, horses, and vehicles. In minutes, the neighborhood was engulfed in a sticky chaos, resulting in 21 deaths and over 150 injuries. The aftermath was a monumental cleanup, and the event led to significant changes in regulations for industrial safety across the United States.